Hey everyone, I'm Alp Galip. Welcome to another festive travel vlog here on Alp Galip Travels. Today I'm taking you to explore magical Zagreb Christmas markets and show you what Advent in Zagreb time really feels like in Croatia's charming capital. And don't forget, all the useful travel links for flights, hotels, activities and more are waiting for you in the description to help you plan your trip easily. My first impression of Zagreb during Christmas truly surprised me. The city looked far more beautiful and festive than I expected. The Christmas markets were bigger, livelier, and much more atmospheric than I imagined. And what impressed me the most was how warm, friendly, and polite Croatian people were toward tourists. It instantly made the whole trip feel even more welcoming. The main Christmas market in Zagreb takes place in Jelačić Square, right in the heart of the city, and incredibly easy to reach from anywhere in the center. The square is filled with beautifully decorated wooden stalls, offering handmade crafts, ornaments, souvenirs, and lots of delicious local treats. You'll find plenty of food stalls serving sausages, street snacks, hot meals, and all kinds of festive sweets, along with restaurants and cafes around the square. There's also a large stage where concerts, live music, and Christmas shows take place throughout the evening, creating an amazing holiday atmosphere. Children run around excitedly near the big Christmas tree, enjoying waffles, crepes, hot chocolate, and warm festive moments with their families. Another lovely Christmas market is located at European Square, a smaller but very lively spot with a youthful and artistic atmosphere. It's packed with food stalls, mulled wine stands, and modern craft vendors offering trendy gifts and handmade designs. In the evenings, DJs and small performances turn the square into a fun social place where both locals and tourists gather. One of my personal favorites is the Christmas market in Zrinjevac Park, a magical walkway covered in glowing lights hanging from century-old trees. The little wooden chalets here sell beautiful handcrafted ornaments, local art pieces, and cozy winter snacks. The music, warm lights, and romantic atmosphere make this park feel like a peaceful winter fairy tale. Strossmayer Square hosts a smaller but charming Christmas market known for its relaxed vibe and great food options. It's a wonderful spot to slow down, warm up with a cup of mulled wine, and enjoy the festive decorations around you. One of the most scenic Christmas markets in Zagreb sits on the Gradec Plateau, located in the upper town, with stunning views over the city. Here, you'll find a great selection of craft stalls, local products, festive decorations, and delicious food stands offering warm Croatian dishes. The area comes alive at night with parties, DJ performances, and plenty of spots to enjoy mulled wine, waffles, and sweet treats under the Christmas lights. Kids also have plenty of fun here, especially with the colorful lights, treats, and family-friendly activities spread around the plateau. The combination of views, music, food, and festive spirit makes this one of the most unforgettable spots in Zagreb during Christmas. At King Tomislav Square, the main highlight is the large outdoor ice skating rink, one of the most iconic attractions of Zagreb Advent. Surrounded by lights, music, and festive stalls, skating here feels like stepping into a Christmas postcard. The food at Zagreb's Christmas markets is absolutely worth trying, especially traditional Croatian dishes like sausages, sarma, fritule, and hearty winter stews. You'll also find plenty of snacks such as waffles, crepes, pretzels, and of course endless cups of mulled wine. Prices are quite affordable, and most meals or snacks cost between 5 and 10 euros, making it easy to enjoy local flavors without spending too much. The Christmas markets are also great places to shop for handmade Croatian products, traditional ornaments, artisanal candles, and unique holiday gifts. Many stalls sell local specialties including gingerbread hearts, handcrafted jewelry, wooden toys, and regional winter treats. It's the perfect opportunity to pick up meaningful souvenirs and support local artists while enjoying the festive atmosphere. During Christmas time in Zagreb, one of the most magical places to visit is Mandusevac Fountain. which becomes beautifully illuminated and creates a warm, festive atmosphere in the city center. The octagon passageway turns into a glowing tunnel of lights, making it a perfect spot for photos. The charming passageway beside Ilika and the courtyard of Hotel Jägerhorn transform into a cozy, romantic corner filled with twinkling decorations. St. Mark's Church looks even more stunning during this season, as its colorful tiled roof shines under the Christmas lights. Around the Zagreb funicular, the historic streets feel especially charming with festive ornaments and warm winter colors. The historic stone gate becomes even more atmospheric, combining its spiritual atmosphere with soft holiday lighting. Zagreb Cathedral stands proudly surrounded by sparkling decorations, making it one of the city's most impressive Christmas sights. Lotršćak Tower offers breathtaking night views of the entire city glowing with festive lights. St. Catherine's Church and its peaceful surroundings create a calm and elegant spot to enjoy Christmas decorations away from the crowds. Finally, the art pavilion and the park around it turn into a bright winter wonderland that perfectly captures the holiday spirit of Zagreb. There are so many wonderful things to do in Zagreb during Christmas, starting with enjoying a traditional lunch at the famous Stari Fiđaka restaurant. You can also relax in one of the city's cozy cafes or bars while sipping a warm cup of mulled wine. Don't miss the magical ice skating show, which is one of the highlights of the winter season. A guided city tour is a great way to learn about Zagreb's history and culture while exploring its decorated streets. Visiting the vibrant flower market is also a delightful experience, especially during this festive period. You can enjoy a traditional lunch at a local vineyard and taste regional food and wine. A Christmas night walk through the glowing streets of the old town is one of the most memorable experiences you can have. For something unique, you can join a Lisitar workshop and learn how to make these traditional Croatian gingerbread hearts. Visiting Salajland, Croatia's biggest Christmas lights park, is a magical day trip worth experiencing. A day trip to Marija Bistrica offers a peaceful spiritual escape during the holiday season. And of course, visiting Plitvice Lakes National Park is an incredible winter adventure, and you can check the description below for the best tour options at affordable prices. While in Zagreb, make sure to try traditional dishes such as hearty stews, homemade soups, roasted meats, and delicious Croatian desserts like Fritule. We were extremely satisfied with every meal we tried in the city, and the prices were surprisingly affordable. Most meals cost around 8 to 15 euros, and you can also check the links below for great deals on local food tours. When choosing where to stay in Zagreb, I recommend booking accommodation close to the old town, as it allows you to walk easily to the Christmas markets and main attractions. You'll find plenty of options, including luxury hotels, comfortable Airbnbs, and budget-friendly guest houses. Average prices range from 40-60 euros for guest houses, 60-90 euros for Airbnbs, and 100-150 euros for hotels. And you can find the best deals through the links in the description. Zagreb is a very safe city with easy transportation, and tourists can move around comfortably without any problems. The local currency is the euro, and getting around the city is simple thanks to its walkable streets and efficient trams. If you want to focus only on the Christmas markets, 2 full days in Zagreb are enough to enjoy all the main festive areas. But if you prefer to combine the markets with day trips, outdoor activities, and exploring nearby attractions, you can easily spend 3 to 4 days here. Overall, I truly enjoyed my time in Zagreb and loved the Christmas markets more than I expected. The prices were reasonable, the food was excellent, and the festive atmosphere made the whole trip unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you plan the perfect Christmas trip to Zagreb. You can find all the useful travel links you'll need right below in the description. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and feel free to ask any questions in the comments. I'll be happy to help.